Scientists discovered that the average person makes 250 eating decisions a day. Those decisions can either help you control your diet or make your diet feel out of control. In this video, I'll show you how to turn destructive eating decisions into positive ones with 3 simple shifts in your thinking. Hi, I'm Dr. Becky from drbeckyfitness.com. I'm a college instructor of the science of nutrition. According to Brian Wansink, who is a researcher from Cornell University, you make about 250 decisions about food every day, and very few of those are based on hunger. So you decide if you're going to have breakfast or not, if you're going to eat oatmeal or pancakes, whether you'll eat lunch at the table or grab something on the go, and your choices just go on and on. And every one of those decisions is tied to a belief. So you might eat breakfast because you believe it's the most important meal of the day. You might choose oatmeal because you believe it's a healthier choice than pancakes. You sit down to eat your lunch because you believe that's the proper behavior. So it works like this. Step 1, your beliefs drive your decisions. Step 2, your decisions drive your habits and behaviors. And step 3, your habits and behaviors give you the results you get. So if the results you're getting on the scale are not what you want and you seem stuck in bad eating habits, then it's a good idea to take a look at the beliefs that are running through your head. For instance, you might want to give up junk food to lose weight, but deep down inside you believe junk food helps you cope with stress. So if you give it up, well, there goes your stress reliever. Or you might want to lose 50 pounds, but deep down inside you believe that weight protects you from something or someone. So losing it leaves you feeling vulnerable. So your beliefs are a big part of something I call your weight mindset. This mindset, it starts to develop at a very young age, and it's shaped by things like the things you experienced and how you're treated by important people like your parents and your siblings and classmates and what have you. And so it's how you interpret these events and these treatments that you went through as they pertain to food and weight and dieting that creates your current weight mindset. And therefore those beliefs that we were talking about earlier. Now, even though your mindset was started when you were very young, it's not set in stone. If you realize that the weight mindset you have now is taking you down a bad path, well, you can create a new one, and when you do, weight loss becomes so much easier and more automatic. So how do we do that? Well, there's 3 things that you can start working on right now: your beliefs, reasons, and reactions. You can change your beliefs, but you must work on it consciously. If you've watched my free video series on how to lose weight, you know I used to struggle with my weight a lot. I was really ruled by sugar. Eating junk food was honestly the first thought I had in the morning and the last thought at night. And back then I held a belief in my head about eating ice cream and that I needed to eat it every night in order to kind of feel right. So I could literally come home from a dinner party, 9 o'clock at night, feeling stuffed, and I would still go to the freezer and dish myself some ice cream. That behavior had nothing to do with how hungry I was, it had everything to do with my beliefs. Today I have a new belief, and that is I can still eat ice cream, but if I do, I'd better be ready to feel bloated and uncomfortable, because I always do after I eat ice cream. So how did I shift from one belief to the other? Well, it starts with awareness. When I believed that I needed ice cream, to mentally feel okay, well, I purposely overlooked the fact that it made me feel horrible physically. So identify your damaging beliefs, shine a light on them, and they will start to change for you. And that change will be strengthened when you come up with a compelling reason. So we all have reasons to lose weight, right? I want to lose weight because I feel fat. I want to lose weight because I want to look good at my reunion. I want to lose weight because I don't want my joints to hurt so much. And all of these reasons are perfectly valid reasons, but if they don't resonate with your heart, they won't spur you to action. They won't compel you to act. Finding that compelling action, that takes some effort. It takes being honest with yourself, or it takes just simply sitting down and writing out all of the reasons you can think of until that one jumps off the page at you. My reason to lose weight didn't come to me until I got called out by an innocent little boy at a dinner party who said in a rather loud voice, looking right at me, "So you're always going to be this fat?" It was truly one of those most embarrassing moments, but that embarrassment alone, that did not change me. But it did make me face reality. I realized that I wasn't fooling anybody. At this time, I was a practicing chiropractor. I was telling people to live a healthy life, yet I was coming home and eating big bowls full of ice cream every night. So the reason that became very clear to me that I wanted to lose weight and get healthy was because I was sick and tired of leading an incongruent life. And allowing myself to see that was a complete game changer. And lastly, to start your path to a healthy weight mindset, you need to monitor your reactions. In my coaching program, I hear from a lot of people who are just getting started, and they carry with them a lot of baggage from past failed attempts at weight loss. And you can see it in their words that they're frustrated with themselves. They'll say things like, I've failed so many times, I can never stay away from junk food, I'm just disgusted with myself. And they're just angry with themselves for not being able to control this aspect of their life. So my response to them is, don't get mad, get curious, and it will change how you react in eating decisions. One of the determining factors of whether you're going to stick with your diet or not is how you treat yourself. Everybody has a bad day. Don't get mad at yourself, get curious. Ask yourself a question instead of beating yourself up. Ask yourself, why did I overeat? When you pose a question to yourself, you are more likely to seek and find an answer that allows you to continue toward your goal. And that answer might be that you simply let yourself get overly tired, or you might find a hidden belief that needs to be addressed. One bad moment doesn't destroy your diet unless you beat yourself up for that bad moment. Do that and you will fall right back into your old destructive patterns. Break that pattern by getting curious rather than mad, and you will skyrocket your results with zero additional effort. So, pay attention to those beliefs in your head. Find that compelling reason to change and control your reactions by getting curious. These are just 3 small parts of a formula that I put together for my coaching program called How to Create a Weight Loss Mindset. So as a member, as you learn the practical skills needed to lose weight, you're building this new mindset, removes the stressful and the emotional eating triggers and allows you to keep moving towards your success. If you would like to learn more about my coaching program, I will leave some links here on the video for you. Thanks for watching, and I will see you back here next week with a new video to help you reach your healthy goal. Thanks.